We're back on pitch side, and in case you guys have just tuned in, the New Zealand have won the toss and they have decided to bat first. A different looking side of New Zealand. A lot of the players are already committed playing the IPL, but this is what we have for you, and they are led by Michael Bracewell. Uruj, a different looking side, like we said, some of them have played in that series last year, but overall not to be taken lightly at all.
Oh, never against Pakistan, especially because they have nothing to lose. No baggage, they're going to come out all guns blazing. Youngsters know the T20 format really well. Tim Robinson with Tim Seifert. Tim Robinson will make his debut. Remember, Tim Seifert played for Karachi Kings, so he knows conditions here really well. Dean Foxcroft is somebody who's spoken about as a hard-hitting batter, so it'll be interesting to see what he brings to the table. But the next three names from there on in, Chapman, Neesham and Bracewell, those are the guys that will hold everything together. Neesham and Bracewell with the ball as well, so those will be tough for Pakistan in terms of challenge. Chapman very good. Remember, he has a good record against us when he was here last year as well. And then you got Clarkson, Sodhi with his leg spin. Not quite sure how it pans out in Pindi, but he comes across with a lot of experience. And then your seamers to finish off with. So for them, a massive opportunity.
All right, let's have a look at the Pakistan side then. It was always about that opening combination, Waqar. And just by looking at what we've seen, it appears that Babar Azam and Saim Ayub are opening. So your wish has been granted as per the team sheet that we've got. We don't know if they changed their plans right now.
Look, I think Arooj has done the difficult bit, telling us what the New Zealand team is all about on this tour. But looking at Pakistan side, yeah, I mean, it's no-brainer not, opening with Saim Ayub. He's such a destructive batsman, plays all those funky shots, and if he gets going, he knows how to score big runs. I mean, another Rizwan at 3, Babar, of course, going to open, and then I want to see if Tahar getting a complete go. He normally bats at number 6 and number 7 at times, and then he doesn't get enough time. So if he bats at number 4, Usman misses out. So I mean, it's hard to sort of differentiate who they should be playing. This is a good, healthy competition in this squad. So the players are in good form, the batters are in good form. And when you talk about bowling, I still feel that this bowling attack is probably one of the best going around the world, I would say. Ahmad Wasim not playing in this game, so that is a little bit of shocking for me. I'm not sure if he's carrying any injury or not, but yeah, sooner or later we'll see him in action also, Mohammad Amir in action. So this is a fantastic side.
All right, we'll see what they bring to the table today. A couple of changes for them as well, but it's all about comebacks for this series. We heard about Imad Wasim coming back and then Mohammad Amir. It's time to hear his thoughts now.
I think I'm coming back after almost 4 years. लेकिन जब भी आप कंट्री से खेलते हो उसका एक मोमेंट ही अलग होता है. ऑनेस्टली मेरे लिए ऐसे लग रहा है कि मेरा ये डेब्यू सीरीज़ है, क्योंकि जब भी आप अपनी कंट्री का स्टार पहनते हो अपनी चेस्ट पे तो उसकी फीलिंग्स जो होती हैं वो बहुत डिफरेंट होती हैं, एंड यू कांट एक्सप्लेन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट आई थिंक मेरे लिए बड़ा चैलेंजिंग है, क्योंकि इसमें क्रेडिट जाता है पीसीबी को, मैनेजमेंट को, ऑनेस्टली शाहीन. तो जिस स्ट्रेस से वो मुझे लेके आए, प्रेशर उस चीज़ का कि मैं उस स्ट्रेस को पूरा करूँ. मैं 2009 में आया था, पहली दफ़ा मेरा जब डेब्यू हुआ था, हम पाकिस्तान वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन बना. फिर उसके बाद हम 2017 चैम्पियन ट्रॉफी का फाइनल खेले, पाकिस्तान वो उसका चैम्पियन बना. जिस तरह मुझे पीसीबी मैनेजमेंट लेके आई, वो एक शॉर्ट टर्म गोल है जो है वर्ल्ड कप, और वही सबसे बड़ा गोल है इस टाइम, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान टीम सेमीफाइनल खेल चुकी है 2021 में, फिर 2022-23 में T20 वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल खेल चुकी है. वो जो एक मिसिंग लाइन है ना, क्रॉस द लाइन, वो एक है कि अगर वो हो जाती है तो मेरे लिए आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट होगी कि मैं उस टीम का हिस्सा हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि मेरी जो मेन रीज़न है फिटनेस लेवल, मेरा उस टाइम से इस टाइम बहुत बेहतर है. जो मैं अपनी बॉडी को फील करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं क्रिकेट जितनी भी अराउंड द वर्ल्ड खेल रहा था, मुझे लगता है कि मैं 2019 से इस टाइम मैं अपनी जो बॉडी है उसको ज़्यादा फिटर फील करता हूँ. क्योंकि अब देखिए, जब तक आप फिट नहीं, आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर नहीं सकते ग्राउंड में. आपकी जितनी मर्जी स्किल्स हो, आप फिट ही नहीं है तो आप एक्सप्रेस कैसे करें. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं इस टाइम जितना मेरी बॉडी फ्रेश फील कर रही है, मैं ज़्यादा चिप इन और अपनी परफॉर्मेंस से टीम के लिए फ़ायदेमंद हो सकता हूँ. जो सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे लिए एक प्लस पॉइंट था, जो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी थी, वो मेरी वाइफ थी और मेरे बच्चे. आई लव माई डॉटर्स, और उनके साथ जो मैं टाइम गुजारता हूँ, आई थिंक वो मेरा मी टाइम होता है और मोटिवेशनल टाइम होता है। शी मेक्स श्योर कि मेरा सारा फोकस क्रिकेट पे है, तो वो आई थिंक वो उस चीज़ ने मुझे हमेशा जो है एनर्जी दिया कि मैं हाँ यस जो चीज़ें हैं उनको मैं फेस कर सकता हूँ।
Well, it's been quite a story for Mohammad Amir coming back after 4 years for this national side. There's no question about his talent. We've seen what he can do with the ball. Of course, it's been quite a bit of a gap when you look at international cricket, but that tells you a story. The amount of wickets that he's got, his ability to swing the ball. I mean, Waqar spoke about what he thinks about his return to Rouge. I didn't really get a chance to get your thoughts on it.
Well, I think, like I said earlier, I think the point was made that, and I completely agree with Waqar, because you don't want to skip the system. You don't want to, because you dent the passion that the youngsters bring who are doing that hard work through the grind of domestic cricket. But I think PCB did make the point that this is very specific to this short-term goal of the World Cup. And with Haris Rauf's injury and how he played during the World Cup, maybe it just makes sense.
All right, what are we looking at in terms of totals then? You've seen a lot happening in Pindi Cricket Stadium on these pitches.
Look, I want to see a ball swinging early on with Mohammad Amir getting a new ball, and if he gets it right, he will be difficult to handle. Pindi, not only you score big, and if you can swing the ball, you'll pick up wickets.
All right, it's all about that swing that we were looking at from Mohammad Amir. We're going to take a short break, and when we do come back, we'll be seeing New Zealand, Pakistan, both the sides in action.